a rainy morning here in Whistler. Just getting ready to hit the road. It's a very exciting day. Wifey has an appointment down in the city, and then we have a second appointment as well. So check this out. You all know that we lost Mina in March, and we miss her every day. But we got her stuff back out of storage, and the back seat is all cozied up and ready for somebody. If our second meet and greet with this doggy goes well, we're gonna bring her home today. Wish us some luck, because we're really definitely ready to have that energy back in the house again. Like I say, we miss Mina so much every day, but we're really looking forward to rescuing another and sharing a beautiful life together with her. So, ready for another fur friend. Let's see if this one fits. Follow along and watch her story join ours.